don't live it up. She made me beg for it, till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best, you the fucking best.
That's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings and my heart.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are here with ISEE Hair. This is my first time working with their company. And let me just commend ISEE Hair on their packaging because it's giving luxury. It's giving that girl. Like, I just love the time they took to package this. So I commend you guys for that. Today, I'm installing their new MCAP WEAR&GO Kinky Curly Wig. It's a 9x6. It comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked. And baby, 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚗𝚝, we already know. So these are the items that came in with the packaging. So we're going to get into the video. All right, so this is how the wig came packaged. As you guys can see, it's a kinky curly texture. It's 18 inches. Don't play with it. This is the largest lace area achievable in the pre-cut wigs, which is a 9x6. Look at the lace, okay? Look at those knots. Let's not play, okay? It does come with removable combs as well. You can take them out if you don't need them. You can put them back in if you do need them. It comes with an ear-shaped design, also a 3D cap design, which makes the lace lay super duper flat and snug along the hairlines. And look at the knots, they're super small. I already said that, but look at them again. Y'all, I had to come outside and show you guys the hair in natural sunlight because I said y'all gotta see what I'm seeing. Look at the curls, they're super duper beautiful. Just look at them, y'all. So this is me the same day actually installing the wig. I'm putting it on, and baby, when I said that ISEE shocked the heck out of me, they shocked the heck out of me. Y'all gonna see in a minute. Hold on. Look at this. It lays super freaking flat. Like, everything is laid down. So that 3D design that they said makes the lace lay flat, they weren't lying, y'all. All right, so I'm just going to go in and do a little bit of tinting, and you can use concealer or cream foundation. I just wanted to see what it's going to give. Of course, it's not my shade because it's giving warm. It's giving very much warm. But look at this hairline. Y'all cannot tell me that this is not growing straight up out my scalp. Like, don't play. So now I'm just going in to detangle the hair. I like to do this just to get a feel of the quality. And I always do this on dry hair just to see what we're working with. So I'm just going in and using my brush. I was getting a few tangles here and there, but after, I thoroughly detangle, the brush just glides on through. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I always say curly hair needs a co-washing before install, and I feel this way with this wig as well. So that's that on that. But look how full this wig looks. If you guys see a little brown spot in the wig, it's because I got tinting spray back there. Don't ask how I got tinting spray way back there because I don't know. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of my lace spray, melting spray, and we're just going to tap this on the outside of the lace. And like I said, this wasn't needed. It wasn't necessary at all because there was no lifting whatsoever with this. So I wouldn't recommend you do this step because I didn't like it. That's why I'm glad I did install it again without doing this step. So I did allow my band to melt just a little bit. And this is what it looks like, okay? Now, they didn't provide me with a lace melting band. And I see why, because you don't need it. You really don't need it at all. It's nothing to melt if it's already melted. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm just going in to do a little bit of baby hairs. And, I really wasn't feeling this baby hair look either. Like, this is a wig that you just need to leave alone. Like, honestly, everything comes done to the point where all these steps that I'm doing here aren't necessary at all. You just literally need to take out the wig out of the box, co-wash it, and put it on your head and go. Saturating the hair with water, just water only, and then I'm going to diffuse it dry. And the reason why this install is going to end here for this portion is because my camera stopped recording and I didn't know. So this is all I got for the first install. So like I stated, the wig could use a co-washing. So since we don't have any more footage to complete that last part, we went in to wash it with our Curlsmith Essential Moisture Cleanser and Conditioner. And when I tell you guys this stuff is fire, it's fire, and you need it for your curly hair. Okay, so we just shampooing it here, and we just gonna rinse it on out. So this is what the wig looks like once I've rinsed just the shampoo out. I am going to go in and add my conditioner, and I always do it on my mannequin head because I need to get every strand with that goodness. So this is what it looks like once I rinse out the conditioner as well. So this is the next day, and I allowed the curls to air dry. They were super soft, they were super fluffy, and I'm just here for it. So now we're just going to pin up this section, and for this install in particular, I want it to look very natural. I don't want any form, baby hairs, or anything. I just want everything to look as natural as possible. So we're going there just with a little bit of wax, and we're going to do a little bit of hot combing, not too much. And then we're going to go in and define our part with some cream foundation. I did spray my edge brush with a little bit of 𝚑𝚑𝚒𝚑𝚒𝚑 spray just to tame those baby hairs. I'm going in with cream foundation again, and this is the darker shade, and we're just going to blend the line of demarcation into with our skin. And I just feel like this looks so much natural and not as warm as that tinting spray. That tinting spray makes the lace look very warm. Well, I'm in the wrong shade anyway, but I don't know. I just feel like this just looked 100 times better. And then I'm just using the back of my comb to do me 2 little bumps, because y'all know I like for my curly hair to, be away from my face. And, I feel like this just frames my face a little bit better. Now I'm just going in with just a little bit of water, and I'm going to add a little bit of my Curlsmith conditioner too. And then I'm just going to go in and brush the water in with the conditioner. And diffuse the hair as well. So while I'm just doing this, I'm just gonna give you guys my overall thoughts of this wig. Since I installed it 2 times, I washed and conditioned it. So y'all, I love this unit. Okay, first of all, I'm very impressed with the 3D cap design, because it really allows the lace to lay super duper flat without you needing any type of adhesive. Okay, none. Like, I could shake my head, which I am gonna do towards the end, and it's not going nowhere. It's literally secure, and it lays super duper flat. Like, I was so impressed by that. Like, I'm just in awe. That's my favorite part of the unit. So as far as the shedding, I did get shedding as well. I didn't do no plucking, because you don't need a pluck. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. I feel like this wig is perfect, really perfect for beginners. If you're a beginner, you don't know what you're doing, baby, you need this wig. I kid you not, you need this wig. So yeah, I did get a little bit of tangling. I told you guys about that earlier. But once I thoroughly detangled the hair, I did not receive any more tangling. So thus far, y'all, this wig is looking like it's giving me a 9.5 out of 10. Okay. So this is how this unit turned out for the second time install. 100 times better. And like I said, I did not secure it down. I just let that elastic band do its work. Okay, it just did the dang thing. This is the back of the wig, nice and full. I love the curls, y'all. The curls are so freaking pretty. They're everything. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All the information will be linked down in the description section below. And until my next link, your girl, see you later. Bye, guys.